What's going on with the truckers? Okay, I've had so many people send me links to this video. The first person to send me links was Truck Hustler. Follow him on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and all social medias. And basically, following that, I reached out to the creator of this, Rollo, and we're trying to find time for me to interview him on this. But since then, there has been a negative response to this video. Basically, he posted a video saying that he does a parallel park at a CDL school, it looks like. I don't know if he's a CDL trainer or not. Hopefully, we'll get him on the show extremely soon so that we can expose what that was. But basically, he does a parallel park while outside of the semi-truck. And 100%, you could tell from the video that they're having fun with this and that it looks like it's on private property and it looks like it's something as a joke. But people are not finding it funny. You know, even Rollo says, guys, relax. This is an old video and I'm no longer even working with that company. You know, a follower even asked, did this affect your CDL or did you get into any kind of trouble? And Rollo responds back, people are calling in trying to snitch on me. You can see here, there's one person that even says, I forward this video to the Texas DOT and FMCSA. You're the reason the trucking industry is overregulated. I hope you lose your CDL. Mother truckers, what are your thoughts of this video? Did you think that this was something as entertainment, just for fun, or did you take this seriously and really think that this is the way you should parallel park your semi-truck if you were brand new or not? You know, please comment down below. The reason why I want to bring this up is because, you know, a lot of times in the trucking industry, there are people that are doing things for just a laugh. And you know, was this not funny? Was this something to be taken seriously? And do you think that most people thought that this was the way you actually parallel park? You know, I'm really interested in knowing what the comments down below will be on this. Hopefully we get Rollo on the channel soon. We've been in communication already. But mother truckers, comment down below. Did you take this as a joke or not? And do you agree with a lot of the statements of, you know, this is what's so bad with the industry? Mother truckers, comment down below.